Hello guys, and welcome to a new video about how to structure an autobiography for checkpoint 8 and 6. First of all, what is an autobiography? An autobiography is a type of recount detailing the main events in a person's life, which is written by himself or herself. It includes many of his or her feelings and emotions within a certain situation. So it's a story about someone's life written by him. Let's go to the structure of the autobiography. First of all, you'll start with the title. And as we said before in our previous videos, all the first letters in the words in the title needs to be capitalized, except the articles and the preposition. But in case the article or the preposition came in the middle, no need to capitalize it. So again, all the beginning letters in the words in the title are capitalized. Have a look at the following title. The title should look like this. Try as much as you can to make it catchy and snappy. After the title, the first paragraph, I will include information like my date of birth, my home country, my family members, family conditions, childhood friends, and school. If you want to include more details about your life, it's okay. So again, paragraph number 1, you're going to talk about yourself and you can include these information. In paragraph number 2, I will talk about different aspects in my life, such as the most important people in my life or the most influential people in my life, the most precious items, the most precious possessions. All right? So in paragraph number 2, I will talk about different aspects in my life. Paragraph number 3, I will talk about the most memorable day, the most memorable event, the most memorable time, the most memorable minute. So the most memorable anything in your life. And you need to talk about the event with detailed descriptions, mentioning your thoughts and feelings and wishes and how this event affected your life. So again, in paragraph 3, I will be talking about the most memorable event in my life. I'll give detailed descriptions, mentioning my thoughts, feelings and wishes, and how this event affected my life. In paragraph number 4 and the last paragraph, I will describe myself. You need to mention a positive and a negative characteristic supporting with a reason. Like for example, I'd describe myself as a very friendly kind of person, as I'm always surrounded by people, especially that I have a great sense of humor. That's not me at all. However, I sometimes act in a very childish way, especially when I don't get what I need. So that was an example for describing yourself in a positive and in a negative way and supporting your description with a reason. This was the structure of the autobiography. Let's apply these steps and check the sample at the end of the video.
Now, let's apply the steps of structuring an autobiography. The first thing we're going to do is the title. And as we said before, all the letters are capitalized except the articles and the prepositions. So the A here is capitalized in all, and the A here is capitalized, and the M here is capitalized. Then the first paragraph, you will talk about yourself, date of birth, home country, family members, family conditions, childhood friends, and school. So my name is Jack. I was born on a warm sunny day in June 4th, 1995 in England, which I consider my home country. I live with my mom Kate, dad Henry, and my brother Jake. Jake is a sweet kid and he would do anything for me. But like all brothers and sisters, we fight like cats and dogs. I still love him and will always do. I started school when I was 6 years old. I went to kindergarten through 5th grade at Oxford Elementary School, and while I was there, I won an award for perfect attendance. Then in year 6, I also won a couple of awards, one for perfect attendance and 2 for being named Student of the Year. So the first paragraph was about the date of birth, the home country, family members, family conditions, childhood friends, and school. The second body paragraph will be about different aspects of my life, such as the most important people in my life, or the most precious possessions I have. So, this is me. I'm happiest when I'm with my family at home. The most important people in my life are my friends and family, whom I trust and they also trust me. The best thing about my life is that I'm pretty much on the happy side of life. The most precious possession is Vicky, my pet dog. I feel like a bird flying in the sky when I'm close to her. She's the best thing in my life. Sometimes I worry about her leaving me, especially that mom hates cleaning all the time all around her. So, this was the second paragraph. The third paragraph will be about the most memorable day, time, or event in my life. So, the most memorable day was when the final spelling bee was held. It was such a great experience to learn all these difficult words, how they were spelled, and their definitions. I remember that my teacher taught us a golden rule to spell long words, and that actually helped me in improving my writing skills and avoiding all those silly spelling mistakes. Finally, I was thrilled when I won the second prize. I forgot to add a comma here after an intro phrase. Alright, paragraph number 4, you should describe yourself. Mention a positive and a negative characteristic supporting with reasons. So I describe myself as a very friendly, thoughtful, and confident kind of person. So now I introduce the positive side of me. I support it with a reason. Having a pet dog in my life taught me all these positive characteristics. I'm always noisy and lively when I'm with my friends and dog. But rather than that, I'm calm and quiet. I love who I am and a kind of person who's enjoying his life. So this was the sample of the autobiography.
This was everything related to the autobiography. I hope you mastered how to structure an autobiography. Make sure to visit our website in the description below. There, you'll find teachers that dedicated themselves to help you determine your writing level and provide you with the best plan that will take your writing to a whole new level. And it's totally for free. Keep watching our videos and we promise you'll rock the checkpoint exams. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Assalamu alaikum.